Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my sister, Karina.
Hi guys.
We're gonna do the 10-minute no mirror makeup challenge. Wow, that's a tongue twister. I just want to emphasize I have like so much more makeup than she does. She literally has like 4 things and I have all this. So we're gonna try to do our makeup in 10 minutes. We tried using all the makeup that we have that doesn't have a mirror, and we're gonna switch the viewfinder to the other side so we won't be able to see. Alright, so let's get started. Oh my god, I'm so scared. 10 minutes? 2, 3. Alright. Okay. This is not a mirror. Oh, and my sister-in-law flipped the viewfinder, just letting you know.
And we're all...
Oh my god, this is so weird.
Okay. Shit. 10 minutes, right?
Am I even doing
this? This is an outfit that I have like no...
Oh my god, this is...
It just exploded on me. Oh my god, Leslie.
That's the one that, when I did the no mirror makeup challenge, that's what Leslie thought was the lipstick. Or no, lip gloss. And she put that all over my mouth. And I tasted that for like 2 days straight. So, yeah. Thanks, Leslie. This is so awkward. You know the good thing though, is that I have like such thick eyebrows that I could just kind of feel my hair and just kind of guess where... You have like no eyebrows.
Like, I mean I have a lot of eyebrows. I mean,
it's just that they're thin compared to mine. Mine are like super thick. Okay, this is really, really weird.
So I hope I'm doing this right.
Isn't it weird that I kind of just want to like grab a mirror and look?
Yeah.
Dang, that's what's crazy is like we depend on mirrors. Alright.
Can we cheat and be like, oh...
No! What? What are you gonna say?
Like if I can ask you like if I'm...
No, just don't look at me.
Alright.
Oh my god, am I supposed to conceal my eyebrows? You know what? Today I'm gonna pass because that took me like 30 seconds today. Okay.
Are we allowed to look at the timer?
Here, I'll just leave it right there. Oh my god, there's already 8 minutes and 30 seconds left.
Okay. Well, luckily I don't need a lot of makeup, you know. I'm already beautiful as it is, so...
Alright, whatever. I can't even tell how much I have, but whatever. Oh, I love how you put your makeup on.
Thanks. I barely have any, so yeah.
This is gonna be
Wait,
so
we're gonna do the eyeliner too?
Yeah.
Alright.
This is gonna be so embarrassing. And we're having a carne asada right now, so we're gonna go in the backyard and show everybody everything that's embarrassing. Alright, now, concealer. I don't even feel anything going through. This is so weird. Where's my other concealer? Oh shit, I put it away.
Oh shit, I forgot.
What?
Now we have like a timer.
Oh my god.
7:15.
Ah!
Okay, wish me luck, guys.
Don't
Close. How the hell do you open this?
Oh my god, on the
Open
side. Really? Are you doing that on purpose?
I know, seriously.
I should have left it open, sorry. Oh my god, blending takes forever. I never paid attention how much.
I'm just gonna blend like...
Okay, holy shit.
I don't really care about blending as long as my eyebrows... Okay.
Then I'm gonna win if you don't care.
I mean, I do, but...
Ah! 5 minutes left and I still have to do it.
Do they look like chola eyebrows?
I don't know. I'm using your bronzer. Oh no, I have mine, just kidding. Oh my god. Bronzer.
I think this is enough.
Blush. Highlighter.
I'm using the Airspun. Oh, I'm spilling everywhere. I'm using the one I saw. This one.
Oh,
One of your videos.
You covered me. Yeah, it's pretty awesome, huh?
Yes, I like it. Even though it does smell a little bit like
Old lady?
Yeah.
I know, but I love it. Don't you just love to smell like an old lady? That's why you get all the guys. Oh shit! That thing
I'll
was
take
fun.
notes. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Alright, this is gonna be the hardest part of my freaking eyeliner. Oh my god, this is gonna be so scary.
And I'm no makeup artist, so please do not judge the way I do my makeup. Oh my god, how much time do we have left?
5 minutes.
Okay, that's pretty good.
And I love to use eyeliner.
Sorry, I'm not talking. This is just taking me concentration.
This is really hard.
It really is. But that's the easiest part, the face.
I know,
The
but
eyes
like,
right now is, oh my god.
we're gonna have to do our eyeliner, and that's about, I take like 15 minutes, so. Alright.
I probably, made
Oh
it.
my gosh. This
I know,
is
isn't
so
it?
hard.
Oh my god. I'm really scared. I've done my mascara so many times in the car, so I kind of am used to it. Like, I already know.
I could already feel that I messed up and I haven't tried doing it.
We have 3 minutes.
Oh
3 minutes?
my
Oh my
And
god.
50 seconds.
Oh my god. Jessica, you better do your eyeliner because
I already freaking did, bitch.
What the? Oh shit, I didn't even realize that. Looks pretty good, not gonna lie, Jessica.
You can't tell me that.
Looks
You're
pretty
being
good.
my mirror, then you're just cheating. How much?
3:20.
This is so hard, it's not even funny.
I hope I don't like get mascara in my eyeball.
I'm just gonna walk around like this for
Oh yeah.
I'm just gonna say that you did my makeup.
Okay, just say that Julian did your makeup. That's her son.
2:55.
I think if we did the 5-minute makeup challenge with an actual mirror, I think I would slay that. I feel like I'm always doing my makeup in a hurry anyways, because you know.
And I like to use the Kat Von D ink liner.
I tried that. I didn't really like it. Oh, remember that one time that I came over and I tried it and I tried it for myself? I got home and half my wing was like gone. So,
I feel like I'm missing something after this.
Alright.
We're done?
No. How much time do we have, Leslie?
2 minutes and 12.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I just totally messed up, I can tell. Alright, you know what? Just clean off my lips.
What are you laughing at, Leslie?
A minute 40.
I see you there.
I'm done.
And you can't look at me until it's over.
Okay. You can flip the timer if you want. A minute and 30.
You should probably like fix your makeup right now because you have a minute left.
Okay.
Fix what? I can't even see anything.
Do you want me to tell you?
No. Oh, I just got freaking mascara on my nose. I can't touch it.
I'm just trying to make my eyelashes look long.
Well, your eyelashes are naturally long, and I feel like you don't ever need falsies, so they're gonna look bomb. Yeah. Just make sure you do the bottom one. How much time do we have?
I've been doing that.
50 seconds.
Oh my gosh, am I forgetting something?
Did you do blush? Did you do bronzer?
Oh shoot, blush.
I have blush right there. Hurry up.
I mean, I barely use it. Maybe it'll make me. I look like a real clown. I shouldn't have done that.
30 seconds.
I didn't put it up right here. Let me try.
Oh my god.
You can't look at me.
I'm already done.
I don't care.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm done.
Wow, we stopped in perfect timing. Alright. Now we gotta look at ourselves.
Okay, what do you think was your best, I guess?
My best
Your
thing?
best, yeah. The best.
I want to say
makeup
face. Definitely not eyeliner.
I think my eyebrows look really good. Right?
I don't know, you want to look at each other? 1, 2, 3. Wow, you did pretty good!
Yours too. What's
Wow! Damn, look at that way!
You're freaking lying, huh?
It's not
You're
bad.
totally lying.
Okay, how does mine look? Bitch.
It looks pretty good, not gonna lie.
Yours looks pretty good. The only thing that's
Really?
bad is your eyeliner.
The eyeliner. Yeah.
Alright, well obviously that's the hardest freaking part. Okay. Where's a mirror?
I really want to see myself right now.
Okay, use your mirror. Okay, now we're gonna look at ourselves. Damn, dude, honestly, oh my god.
Wow.
I am really proud of myself. Dude, my eyebrows do not look bad at all.
Mine look a little bit different.
Wow.
Yeah, mine look different. I tried doing this look, by the way, guys. Honestly.
You did okay. Look at, I like how I actually tried connecting my wing. Can you see that right there?
Yeah,
can't see it in
I
the
did the
camera.
same thing. But
Wow, obviously they're not connected, but for doing it with no mirror, that was pretty good.
yeah. Proud of myself.
The best thing is obviously just like the mascara. I feel like mascara is pretty easy, but I got mascara everywhere.
Let me see. I think your face looks really good.
Yours is too. It looks okay. I mean, you have foundation right there.
Do I really?
Oh, I got foundation on my hair too. Wow, not bad.
Not bad. That was freaking hard. That was
really hard. It really was.
You know what I just realized? That we didn't do our lips.
We never really do our lips, so this is like an everyday challenge.
You're right.
So I mean, whatever. This is an everyday makeup routine,
Okay.
but just with no mirror. All right, guys. So this is our finished look.
And don't forget, guys, please comment who did the no mirror makeup challenge. Is it Jessica or myself?
I think I
Vote me. Because I think
vote me.
no. You guys, I already told you guys, you better not favor her just because it's her channel. So yeah.
I think we both did really good.
think so.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
I mean,
better.
I feel like your eyeliner always looks like that anyways. I'm just kidding.
It does.
I'm just kidding.
She's such a bitch. It's alright, because I would always pick on her when we were younger, so it's just
now
gonna
it's
go back.
Yeah, now it's my turn. Huh? Alright guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I hope you guys laughed because this was actually really hard and it was pretty fun actually, like just challenging yourself. Comment down below if you like seeing special guests on my channel.
Like me, like myself.
Exactly. And let me know if you like these little videos that I do with people because I think it's pretty fun. Okay guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!
Bye!
Oh my gosh. Have kids, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
Are we gonna do our eyeliner?
Yes?
Right.
Everything.
Okay.
Wait, this isn't wet yet.
Wow.
She's a bitch.
Thanks. You're just so disgusting.
Alright, we're just cleaning up here.
Okay! That's mine, you wish! What the, are you seriously still trying to freaking steal them?